In the last year, I've generated over 1,000 leads for me and my clients using organic YouTube videos. I've worked with over 20 business owners, helping them build their personal brand, get clients, and grow their business by creating YouTube content. Now, in this video, I wanted to break down the exact strategy I used to get these results. If you're a business owner and you're looking to start YouTube to grow your audience and get clients, or you're already running a YouTube channel but you're looking to take it to the next level, then this video is exactly for you, as I will explain how to know what to make videos about to attract the right audience, how to produce those videos so they actually reach your ideal clients, how to turn the viewers that you get into leads and paying clients, and how to leverage YouTube SEO to rank in the searches and create a lead generating machine that works for you on autopilot. The information that I will share with you today has the potential to help you grow your audience and get tens of thousands of dollars worth of clients for you. However, if you're not ready to watch a 5 to 10 minute YouTube video till the end, even though it might be the only thing that your business needs to scale, then just do yourself a favor and click away, as this video isn't for you. So let's talk about the benefits of YouTube first. There's a reason why all the biggest figures and industry leaders go hard on YouTube. You can see a couple of examples here. So Alex Hormozi, Gary Vee, John Gagey, and these are just a couple of them. And the reason for this is that long form videos outperform any other types of content. Why? The first reason is that with an 8 to 20 minute YouTube video, for example, you can provide a lot more value. So this will help you show that you're an expert and people will see you as an authority. You can do this with a 30-second TikTok video. Reason number 2 is that people see your face and hear your voice. That creates trust. And probably the number one rule in sales is that people buy from people they like and trust. So YouTube content builds your authority and makes people trust you more than any other content medium like IG Reels, tweets, blogs, etc. But my favorite benefit of YouTube out of all is that it's evergreen. To understand this, let me show you a couple of videos from me and my clients. You can see that from the point that they were uploaded, they are just getting more and more views and they are not stopping. These videos are all lead generating machines where we created them once and they literally print views and leads for years. Imagine stacking just 10 of these evergreen videos in your channel. That only would get you probably 10 to 20 qualified leads per week for your offer for the next 5 years. How crazy is that? So now it's clear why YouTube content is one of the highest ROI things you can focus on as a business owner. But how do you get started and scale it up? So the first step is video ideas. A common mistake that many people make is that they try to go viral and get the most amount of views with their videos. Instead of that, your goal should be to attract as many of your ideal clients as possible. So you shouldn't go for the most amount of views, you should attract just the right type of people. Method number 1 for doing that is you list your ideal clients' unique pain points and desires, and then you create videos helping them solve those problems and achieve those desires. For example, let's say you have people retire early with investing. The problems that your ideal clients might have is that they don't know what to invest in, they are not able to save enough money to invest, etc. You can make a video providing a solution for each of these problems and they will attract the right type of people. Method number 2 is to look at competitors to find outliers. Create a list of 2 to 5 YouTube channels in your niche. These will be your competitors, and then find videos from them that got drastically more views than their other videos. For example, here's just a random YouTube channel, and you can see that he on average gets about like 10,000, 20,000 views for his videos, but one of his videos got 100,000 views. This means that people resonated with the video idea, thumbnail, and title. So you can just copy it or tweak it slightly, and it will work super well. Now, the next step is scripting. So I made a full guide on how to script banger YouTube videos with actual like script templates. So if you're interested in that, make sure to check out this video. It's on my channel. Obviously, I can go super in depth into this right now, but here's a quick rundown of how I create scripts. First, you have the hook of the video. That's word by word, and this is the first 15 to 40 seconds of the video. You should explain in your hook who the video is for, what they will get out of it, and why you're qualified to talk about it. You should also make it fast-paced to hook people in. Then comes the body part of the video, which has a bullet pointer structure. This is where you actually give value and deliver on the video. You should make it structured and break it down into points. So like, for example, 3 tips, 5 strategies, 12 habits, etc. The last part of the video is the outro. You also should script it out word by word, and this is where you make the call to action. This can be to a newsletter, to a lead magnet, or to book a call with you. After you make the call to action, you should wrap up the video fast. Again, for the exact script templates, check out my full video on scripting. After that comes the production. So I actually produce these videos. In terms of the recording, if your business is B2C, your videos should be talking head videos like this one. If your business is B2C, you can mix in videos where you share your screen, like the video that I'm doing right now. In terms of the editing, people are tired of dopamine heavy editing, but creating fully raw videos won't get you the best results either. The solution is a modern and professional editing style. This cuts out empty spaces and mistakes, which will make the video fast-paced. It also helps to illustrate what you talk about with graphics, so you can teach much more effectively. And it also makes the video more engaging with constant edits, so it will result in a higher retention rate. Editing is important because it can literally take a good video and make it a great video. In terms of thumbnails, I'm sure you've heard it already that thumbnails are crucial. And it's true. People only see the title and thumbnail before clicking on the video. You can make the perfect video, but if your thumbnail is shit, it will hardly get any views. Your goal should be to catch people's eyes and spark curiosity. Your thumbnail should be easy to understand, simple, show rather than tell, complement the title, contain strong colors, and suggest the topic of the video. Very common mistakes people make with their thumbnail is they include too much stuff, which makes it just overwhelming. They also include too much text. Between 1 to 3 words is the sweet spot, by the way. And they repeat the title in the thumbnail. It should only complement it, not repeat it. Here are 2 good thumbnail examples. First of all, from Alex Hormozi, it shows it visually, it's really simple to understand, and it complements the title. Here's also a good one. It's super simple. It uses a famous figure, Tony Robbins. It drives curiosity, and it also complements the title. Here are also 2 bad thumbnail examples. So the first one, it just repeats the title word by word. It has too much text, and it tells rather than shows. So for this one, it has a bad color choice. There's just too much text on the thumbnail. Again, it just repeats the title, and it doesn't really show what the video is about. Now, the next part is building out your YouTube sales funnel. So you can turn your YouTube channel into an automated sales machine for your business, and here's how. So the first step in the sales funnel will be the discovery. So your ideal clients come across your YouTube videos. Then you nurture those people. They get value, so they start to trust you and see you as an expert. Then you convert them because they binge watch all of your videos and they decide to book a call with you because you're just providing so much value and they really resonate with what you're saying. And lastly, you close them. You can easily close them on your offer in a sales call as they already know you, trust you, and want your help because they literally watch hours of content from you. Now, in order to set up this funnel, first of all of your videos should contain a call to action. It's best to send people to either book a free call with you or download the lead magnet that you have. You should place that link where you send people in the first line of the description, and you should do this for all of your videos. Then you need to automate it. So this will come down to posting videos consistently that target your ideal clients and then optimizing your videos to rank in the searches. In order to rank in the searches, you need to choose a topic with high search volume and low competition. You can use vidIQ to determine that. You should also have a proven title and a catchy thumbnail. But most importantly, have a valuable video. It's not about finding the perfect keywords. It's about creating a video that effectively solves a specific problem. If you do that, you will start to stack evergreen videos, and as a result, you will book calls and get leads on autopilot. And honestly, there's no better feeling than this. You create videos once and they make you money for years. Here's a screenshot from my ConvertKit. I get between 15 and 45 leads per week from my personal channel, and I'm not even mentioning this in any of my videos anymore. These are just my old videos working for me still. But the truth is that there's a big problem with all of this. So what I just told you might sound good to you, but it's not as easy and smooth as it looks like. In order to make YouTube work, you need to perfect many things. Coming up with video ideas, scripting videos, editing, thumbnail design, creating a content strategy, etc. And if you don't want to spend 5 to 10 hours per week learning and doing all of these, then you will have to hire 3 to 5 freelancers to do it for you. So if you want to get started on YouTube without hiring and managing a full content team, or you already got started but you find it hard to stay consistent and get results from it, then make sure you click the first link in the description to see how we can help you scale your business with YouTube completely down for you. We do everything for you. You just have to record the videos and handle the leads you get from them. And if you're running a coaching business or agency doing at least $20,000 per month, we will add an extra $10,000 to $20,000 MRR to your business in 90 days, or we will refund your money in full. So again, click the first link below and watch our VSL to see how our process works. And I hope this was valuable. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.